Today we're taking a look at a vintage Homelite XL automatic in really nice unrestored condition. I'm going to start it up and let you see how this one runs and cuts. The oiler does work, is 100% functional. The manual oiler works. As seen in the demonstration, the chain may need a little bit of touch-up sharpening. A really nice unrestored vintage Homelite XL automatic. You can buy this right now for only $169.99 plus shipping anywhere in the United States. Don't wait, don't hesitate, because when it's gone, it's gone. And it won't be in your garage. Vintage King Motorsports, when quality and price matter most.